So friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform t-test. T-test is a parametric test of hypothesis which is used for testing hypothesized mean value of population in a single sample and also to check significant difference between two samples or group. Samples or groups may be independent or paired samples. Before beginning the t-test of hypothesis, let me describe the data file. This data file comprises of 850 observations from borrowers with respect to various variables. The bank staff claims that the average income of the respondents who come for taking the bank loan is 50,000 rupees per month. This claim needs to be tested. How can we do that? In order to check the claim of the bank staff, we need to perform one sample t-test. Do that, click Analyze, go to Compare Mean, and one sample t-test. Transfer the income variable to the test variable, and the test value which the bank staff wants to test is 50,000. You will enter this 50,000 the test value box. Click OK. This is the output of one sample t-test. As you can see here, the average income of 850 respondents is 46.6753 with standard deviation of 38.54. And the results of one sample t-test says that p-value is statistically significant because this p-value is less than 0.05. Hence, we conclude that average income of the borrowers is significantly different from 50,000 rupees at 5% level of significance. So this was one sample test. Now let us check whether the average income of the respondents differs across the level of defaults. 0 represents no defaulters, 1 represents they were defaulters. So I want to check whether the average income of the respondents differs across their levels of default. In this case, our null hypothesis is that mean of defaulters is equal to the mean income of non-defaulters. To check this, go to Analyze, Compare Means, and Independent Sample t-test. Now you transfer the income variable to the test variable and the default categories to the grouping variable. Now you define the groups which represents the value label given by you for this variable. So I have given 0 for no defaulter and 1 for defaulter. Continue and then press OK. Now this is the output of independent sample t-test. As you can see, the average income of non-defaulters is 47.15 and the defaulters it is 41.213. The t-test of significance tells that p-value is not statistically significant when the equal variances are assumed. Therefore, we can conclude that the average income of respondent across the level of default categories is not statistically significant at 5% level of significance because the p-value is not less than 0.05. Now, let us understand the paired sample t-test. Paired sample t-test is used to check the difference before and after some treatment. This is the data set for sales of company's products after the advertisement was made. So in the previous month, say this is the sales, and in the following month, after the advertisement campaign was made, sales is recorded this way. Now I want to test whether the advertisement campaign had a significant impact on the sales of the company. So to test this, I need to perform paired sample t-test. So click Compare Means and go to Paired Sample t-test. Here you transfer the paired variables. So the sales in the previous month is the first pair and the sales in the following month is the second pair of the variable. Click OK and this gives you the paired sample t-test. As you can see, The average sales of the company in the previous month was 84,000 and in the following month it was 87,000. The correlation between these two pairs is 0.935, which is highly statistically significant, and the paired sample t-test result shows that the p-value, which is minus 1.650, is not statistically significant. It means that advertisement campaign has not resulted in significant difference in the average sales of the company, because the p-value, which is 0.143, is not statistically significant at 5% level of significance. Thank you. So friends, hope you liked the video. For more updates on similar videos, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the immediate notifications.